Tangkhul Nagar Shanau Long Yaingangpokpi area staged a protest at Yaingangpokpi Bazar condemning the gunfire attack by Kuki militants on Tangkhul farmers during harvesting rice at Shanti Khungbal in Yaingangpokpi yesterday, leading to sustaining injury on a Tangkhul man. Speaking on the sideline of the protest, Vice President of Tangkhul Nagar Shanau Long Yaingangpokpi area, Penmi Buru, strongly attempted the attack carried out by Kuki militants and appealed the state government to compensate Kamshuk Horam of New Kanan village, who sustained injury in the gun attack. Meanwhile, Southern Tangkhul Student Unions and Tangkhul Naga Valley Students Association Long has imposed blockade at Yaingangpokpi Muirai Lamkai along Imphal Ukrul Road since this morning.
Thokliba thapak adugi nungaidabagidamak ekoi sumaina protest tawjabani ani subada ekhoidi thapak suraga hingba mingaktani si area sida leba office kaba sulaide school oja khara dawba lay adu thapak suraga hingba mi singbu sumaina wahanba se ekhoi sukya yaning de habese media gi through the phangthok jabani government da hijacking badi sugumba se irang se pamde
On the other hand, Secretary of Yaingangpokpi Lamjingnupi Luk Khongbantabam Ongbi in Naubi stressed that despite numerous appeals to both the state government and Lamlai MLA Khongbantabam Ibomcha to replace central forces with state forces, no action had been taken by the relevant authorities. She highlighted that Kuki militants have been persistently attacking villages such as Sanasabi, Thamnapokpi, Yaingangpokpi, Sabungkok Kuno and Santi Khungban. In response, residents of these areas had called for the removal of the Jad regiment and the deployment of state forces. However, their request had not been addressed. While the MLA assured today that state forces would be deployed and questioned whether this promise would be fulfilled.
Kukina nongmai kaptharakna nangulgi isilinaw mokoyani sokiba masi aikoigi maigai dagisu yamna nuaitaba phongdokchari amadi ngarang thoiba kukina nongmai kapthadana nangulgi isilinaw sing soibasidasu aikoigi sidiona nongmai se kapthabani haidana sikumba aranba paw mayam ama akoi sida pubiriba mari jimenas tawibaja aikoi aduki matik pendre aduna aikoi hujik pamjabadi lairiba kukige bunker singje pugaibiyu haiba mafam sidaida state force amadi central force punna thambiyo haiba wafam ja sigi poche thamdaba taragadi aikoigi nungti ayama matamda nongmai kapthadana aikoi leijeriba redbon Yaingangpokpi Sanasabi Thamnapokpi Santi Khungbal hariba sigi awaba se sungpok poroi adudagi loksing ujariba kharasi loksanba ngambagi upai je suklai leitre aduna masigi mafam jidai thamba natana upai ama baw leite haiba wafam je thamjabani